Hey guys, here comes second workout. Hope you are as excited as I am. Let's have a look at it. Here we have EMOM workout. It's a type of intense interval training that is often used in CrossFit and athletes training. EMOM stands for every minute on minute. What that means is you have a task, it's in front of you. You have to start doing the task with a timer, with the beginning of the minute, and do it as fast as you can. The time that is remained after you complete the task till the end of the minute, this is your time for rest. For example, let's say you need 30 seconds to complete these 4 exercises. The time that is left till the end of the minute, next 30 seconds, this is gonna be your time for rest. If you need 40 seconds to complete the task, you will have 20 seconds for rest. And you will start over with the beginning of the next minute. Basically 12 minutes EMOM means that you will have to do 12 rounds of these. The tricky part for some people is to find the right pace, where you can go hard enough and still have enough time to recover. And normally it takes about 3-4 rounds to figure out the pace. I know it might sound a little bit confusing, so let's have a closer look. Toe taps is our first exercise. You will need a small chair or a bottle of water, anything that you cannot flip easily. You have to simply put your foot on the top of it. This is how it looks. You'll have to do 20 of these, or 10 for each foot. Squat jumps. Place your feet on the width of your shoulders. Go down as low as you can and jump from this position. Keep your feet flat on the floor and land softly on the front part of your feet. Floor polish. You will need a piece of cloth, a rack or a small carpet. Put it down on the floor and place your toes in the very center of it. Now get to the plank pose, bring your knees up and push them down. This is a floor polish. Obviously guys, it's not gonna work if you have a carpet. The surface has to be polished. If you're struggling with that, an easier alternative is mountain climber. Bring your knee up and down, counting left and right as 1 repetition. Push-up is the last exercise. Or knee push-up. Now let's put it all together and see how it looks. Don't forget to start the timer. We start with the beginning of the minute. We start with 20 toe taps, trying to make it as quick as possible and not kick off the bottle. Five squat jumps. Remember, breathing is very important. Floor polish 5 times. Bring your knees up and down. 5 push-ups. And now rest till the end of the minute. I have about 30 seconds to rest, so for me this is a good pace. Normally I would try to fit the whole task into 25 to 35 seconds, so I would have enough time for rest and to recover my breathing. I would recommend to have all your equipment next to you, so you can spend less time on moving around and be more time efficient. Also, doing breathing exercises during the break can be very helpful, especially after a few rounds of this. And I'm ready to hit the second round and go! I guess the idea is pretty clear by now guys, so try to do all moves and practice them before you start the workout. Place all your equipment next to you so you can be more time efficient and spend less time on moving around, and have fun!